seek encouragement and guidance at every juncture. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepa jyoti namostute.
Let us commence the traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, a tribute to the Divine Presence. May I now invite the chief guest, Mr. S.R. Vishwanath and Mr. Muhammad Rafi Pasha to step forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you. With humility, we pray for wisdom and guidance to create a harmonious world, to live in unity with nature and all forms of life. May truth prevail, and may the light of knowledge dispel the darkness of ignorance.
Shubham kurutvam kal शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु।
A leader takes people where they want to go. A great leader takes people where they ought to be. I would like to invite our principal, Mrs. Madhusmita Patra, to present the school report. This report highlights the achievements, initiatives, and milestones reached during the years gone by. Please welcome her to the stage.
Thank you, children. Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Honorable Mr. S.R. Vishwanath, MLA Yelahanka constituency. Respected Mr. Mohammad Rafi Pasha, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, Commercial Taxes Office. President Dr. Geeta Shashikumar, Director Dr. Shashikumar, Ms. Anuradha, esteemed guests, beloved parents and grandparents, committed teachers, and my very dear students. I take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt greetings to you all and welcome you to National Public School Singnaikanhalli Annual Day Parivartan 2. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you today to present the annual report of National Public School Singnaikanhalli. This report showcases the achievement and progress of our institution and reflects the collective efforts of our staff, students, and parents. Academic excellence is not about perfection, but the persistent pursuit of knowledge, the courage to overcome challenges, and passion to turn dreams into achievements. I repeat, it is the passion to turn dream into achievements. For consecutive 2 years, our students of grade 10 and 12 have excelled in board examination with 100% results. 94 students qualified for state level and 24 for national level of WIS National Spell Bee competition. In that, Ridhima Hemant Kabul, Drishti Mahala, and Kishan BP have been consistent performers. Young scholars of our school have done really well in Olympiads, and I'm just calling out the numbers, those who qualified the second level and those who have got gold medal of excellence. So in GK it is 7, English 10, Science 13, and Mathematics 17. This is the performance in Olympiad. We have Anika Pathak of grade 8 with 195 rank in TalentX All India level examination. I know your hands will be tired applauding today, so be prepared for this evening. Dheeraj R has secured first position talent search examination in Karnataka. I'm very sure every year our parameters of excellence will be redefined for greater achievements. It is indeed very satisfying to see the growth of the institution under able guidance of Dr. K.P. Gopalakrishna, Founder Chairman, National Public School Group of Institutions. This year marks a significant milestone as we have started with Commerce Stream and a comprehensive training program for grades 11 and 12 designed to orient them for competitive exams. The same has been extended to mid-school also. Special curricular programs such as language enhancement module, improvement in logical and computational skills have been specifically designed to improve the learning and comprehending abilities of our students. With state-of-art infrastructure, well-equipped laboratories, a library enriched with knowledge resources, and modern technology integrated into our classrooms, we are proud to provide best learning experience for our students. Beyond academics, students have got accolades in inter-school events also. For consecutive 2 years, we have won first prize in mathematics related events in Goonj organized by National Public School, Yashwantpur. Also, first prizes in science related activities like science walk in the same competition. Students participated in Drishti organized by National Public School, Yelahanka, and we won second prize for both model making science and video making competitions. Our basketball team for both girls and boys qualified the semi-finals in dunk and dribble organized by National Public School, Kalkeri. Other than this, there are list of individual achievers in sports worth mentioning who have won medals at various levels. Badminton, Vasavi grade 10, Vagdev grade 6 for badminton, Aditi Singh swimming, Taekwondo Mohammad Hussain Abbas of grade 7, Bhavna C grade 8, Priyanka R Yeri grade 9, Karate Chirant P grade 10, Sai Likit grade 7, Yoga it's Tasvika from grade 6, Performing Arts, Violin it's Ashwin S from grade 7, Ankita S in grade 10 for Bharatnatyam. That was the list. I have shortened and called out these names so that I don't keep you away from the evening which you are waiting so eagerly. I think these students deserve a huge round of applause. Field trips offered an excellent bridge between the work of the school and work of the world outside. School organized educational trips to places like post office, village market, National Institute of Disaster Management and Fire Station, fun trips to resorts and outstation trip to Udupi and Mangalore were also a part of this program. Our unwavering commitment to have all-rounded student has garnered immense trust and respect from the community. The demand for admission has been overwhelming. Whenever you find something extraordinary, you will find the fingerprints of a great teacher. This year, 3 of our senior teachers were head examiners for CBSE board examination. All our faculty members have undergone compulsory training and capacity building programs organized by the CBSE board. Their commitment to nurturing young minds is commendable. I extend my heartfelt thanks to President and Director of the school for their unwavering support. My sincere appreciation to our parent community for being an integral part of our school family and also for the encouragement, active participation you have shown in the school events. A huge round of applause for yourself. Together, we have made a place where learning thrives and dreams take flight. Reach out, reach high, reach beyond. Here, wishing all the parents a very fun-filled evening ahead. I request you, I repeat, I request you to clap, applaud, and cheer for my students very, very generously. There is nothing which feels better than a big round of applause after a performance. Many of the students are facing such a huge audience for the first time. Kindly encourage, request you all, this is a humble request you all to witness the entire program. Wishing you loads of luck. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am. Leaders instill in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. Positive leaders empower people to accomplish their goals. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. This quote is synonymous to our school visionary president, Dr. Geeta Shashikumar. I request ma'am to address the gathering. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Thank you, children. Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute honor and joy to welcome all of you to Parivartan 2, our annual day celebration at National Public School, Singnaiknalli. This evening is a celebration of transformation, progress, and the vibrant spirit of our school community. A special and heartfelt welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. S.R. Vishwanath sir, MLA, Yelahanka constituency, former BDA chairman, and former member of TTD. And Mohammad Rafi Pasha sir, Deputy Commissioner, Department of Commercial Taxes, and Dr. Shashikumar, Principal and Senior Academic Head. And our dedicated teachers, ever supportive parents, and of course, my brilliant and enthusiastic students, you are the soul of this institution. And tonight, we celebrate all of you. I would also like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our parents. Your unwavering support, trust, and encouragement have been instrumental in our students' growth and success. We are grateful for the partnership we share with you and appreciate the time and effort you invest in your children's education. Thank you for being an integral part of our school community. The word Parivartan, meaning transformation, perfectly captures the essence of what we strive at National Public School, Singnaiknahalli. Education is about much more than just books and exams. It's about opening minds, expanding horizons, and preparing our children to navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world. As Dr. K.P. Gopal Krishna sir, the visionary founder and chairman of National Public School, so aptly said, the youth of today must be prepared for the global stage. Confident thinkers, learners, and articulate leaders who can shine anywhere in the world. The vision is at the heart of everything you do. Our aim is to help each and every student discover their potential, develop their talents, and gain the skills they need to succeed in any environment. This past year has been an incredible journey of growth and achievements. Our students have excelled in academics, showcased the creativity and talent in all the co-curricular activities, and demonstrated remarkable determination and character. I cannot express how proud I am of every one of them. And none of this would be possible without the tireless efforts of our teachers, whose passion and dedication light the way of our students every single day. As we look to the future, I feel a deep sense of excitement and optimism. The possibilities before us are endless, and I am confident that the students will rise to meet every challenge with courage and determination. Transformation is not just about adapting to change. It's about driving it, and I believe that together we are building a community that will inspire change for the better. Let me conclude with a quote that resonates with the spirit of Parivartan. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world. Be a change you wish to see in the world." This is a powerful reminder that transformation begins with us. Let us continue to nurture the spirit in our children so they can be the change makers of tomorrow. Thank you for being here tonight and for your unwavering support of our school's vision and mission. Here's to a night celebration, inspiration, and unforgettable memories. Dear parents, kindly sit back, wishing you all a wonderful evening ahead and enjoy your children's programs. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you feel the excitement building up around us? So do we. The heartbeats have risen and the anticipation is high as we dive into a journey of music, dance, lights, and joy. Tonight's cultural program will showcase Parivartan 2 and promises to be a feast for the senses. The theme showcases the transformative power of change in human society. In today's fast-paced world, we are witnessing rapid parivartan in various aspects of our lives. Personal growth and self-awareness are on the rise, fueled by a focus on mental health, wellness, and self-care. It's about embracing new challenges and cultivating and creating a brighter future for ourselves and the generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, please encourage these talented students of Montessori to grade 12. Let the celebrations begin. Dance. Dance is one of the most beautiful forms of human expression, a language that speaks to the soul. Dancers are the messengers of the divine, and through their movements, they express emotions that transcends words. We now begin our evening with an invocation dance to seek the blessings of the Almighty and to purify and prepare our space for the evening's festivities.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
सकल जगाचा तारणहार तू या विश्वाचा पालनहार तू मोदक प्रिय तू मंगलदाता भक्तांची कामना पुरविता महाद्वार या नगरीचा तू महाद्वार या नगरीचा तू दैवत अमुचा विनायका तू दैवत अमुचा विनायका हे गजानन हे गजानन हे गजानन हे गजानन
हा सुख करता दुःख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर शेंदुराची कंठी सलके माल मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव
तेरा ही नाम पुकारूं मैं, साथ तेरा बस चाहूं मैं। तू आदि अंत महिमा तेरी हम पर बरसाए रखना, मेरी बिगड़ी
बनाना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव देवा हो देवा गणेशा लंबोदर गणेशा ओम नम गणपते नमः देवा हो देवा गणेशा लंबोदर गणेशा ओम नम गणपते नमः.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, we have the marvelous and flamboyant students of grade 9, 10, 11 and 12.
Get ready to embark on a captivating adventure. Our next journey, featuring Parivartan 2.0 as our theme, takes us into a world of cinematic wonder where imagination knows no bounds, transformation ignites, and the art of storytelling comes alive.
Embracing change is the essence, and without change, there will be no scientific discovery, invention, or human civilization. Parivartan teaches us to aspire, to strive for positive change in ourselves and the world around us. The students of National Public School, Singanayakanahalli, believe that movies are not only a source of entertainment, but it encourages them to dream big, push boundaries, challenge conventions, and inspire positive change.
Now arise and awake and say in unison, retro vibes, metro style, a fusion of now and then. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today, our students of grade 9, 10, 11 and 12 invite you on an extraordinary journey through time, exploring the timeless values and attributes from each decade that have shaped our world.
How many are ready to clap and tap for some groundbreaking performances, cinematic masterpieces, and the magic of movies? Join the celebration for some breathtaking dance performances. Let the applause continue. 1950s. Azadi, a spirit that is the essence of human mind. It's a nectar that nourishes the human soul. It's a universal longing cherished by every heart in every corner of this enchanting earth.
The era of 1950 marked a pivotal era in India, defined by the unstoppable spirit of freedom. This game-changing wave ignited a creative revolution, inspiring a new generation of movies, songs, and plays that resonated across the nation.
The songs of this decade stands as an iconic example symbolizing India's collective aspirations to spread wings and soar high. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
ಆಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮೋಡಗಳೇ, ಹಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳೇ, ಯಾರ ತಡೆಯೂ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮೋಡಗಳೇ,
1960s. A decade of revolutionary transformational change. India's cultural landscape flourished as vibrant style and joyful living inspired artistic innovation, jewelry design, and cinematic adaptation of treasured folk songs.
Timeless classics like Jhumka Girare continue to captivate audience with countless remakes and reinterpretations remaining relevant even today. The cultural shift was vividly reflected in the iconic songs with soaring melodies, retro chic fashion, psychedelic colors, and lush cinematography. Join us, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome our children with a loud round of applause.
झुमका गिरा रे हाय झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा हाय 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 झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
The 1970s shimmered with an irresistible energy, a dynamic chapter of freedom, self-expression, and laughter filled the air. This era inspires us to seize the moment just as our ancestors did. As we navigate today's complexities, let's hold on to the timeless wisdom that life is a roller coaster ride and every moment a gift.
Please join us on a mesmerizing journey through time. I would like you all to guess our next song. Okay, let me give you some clue. As students embarked on the educational journey, seeds of friendship blossomed into a lifetime of memories and achievements. From pencil pal exchanges to reunions decades later, these friendships remained a constant source of comfort, support, and joy.
Yes, you are right. We are speaking about the most treasured songs of all time. Ye dosti hum nahi chodenge. This song is a reminder that true relationships can transcend time, distance, and life's ups and downs.
The gentle breeze beckons, stirring up memories of carefree days.
Let's lace up our skates and head to National Public School Singanakanahalli's rink. It's pure magic there. Come, let's make some memories.
अगर दुश्मन, है अगर दुश्मन, दुश्मन जमाना गम नहीं, गम नहीं है अगर दुश्मन, दुश्मन जमाना गम नहीं, गम नहीं। कोई आए कोई आए, कोई आए, कोई आए, कोई हम किसी से कम नहीं, कम नहीं है अगर दुश्मन, दुश्मन जमाना गम नहीं, गम नहीं। कोई आए, कोई हम किसी से कम नहीं, कम नहीं।
हवा के साथ साथ,
अरे रे,
घटा के संग संग,
संभलना।
हवा के साथ साथ, घटा के संग संग, ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल
मुझे लेके साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, तो साथी चल।
1980s. We now enter the 1980s, a tumultuous chapter marked by unyielding grit, gripping social dramas, broad mass market appeal, and high-octane action. Here, imagination knew no bounds as science and technology converged, giving birth to groundbreaking innovations and possibilities.
As disco and pop pulsated through the airwaves, I Am a Disco Dancer became an anthem, embodying the carefree spirit and flair. The songs of this era symbolize India's growing acceptance of Western culture, with filmmakers creating a unique and infectious sound that continue to influence contemporary music.
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया। तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया। तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया।
मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी, मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई। मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी, मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई। बादल है मेरी जुल्फ़े, बिजली मेरी अंगड़ाई, बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई।
dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं किसी का दीवाना. तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो. Go! I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer.
The 1990s was a transformative period of evolution marked by innocence, youthfulness, and raw energy. Economically, the decade saw increased self-sufficiency driven by globalization and booming industries. Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. This movie became a cultural phenomena with its catchy soundtracks, dialogues, and energetic dance moves. Baggy pants, oversized shirts, and trendy jackets became a style staple among young Indians. Muqabla, the famous song from the 1994 film Kadalan, marked a watershed moment in Indian cinema's musical landscape with its groundbreaking blend of North meets South style. As the world transitioned into a new millennium, the 1990s left an enduring legacy.
यही सिलसिला मुकाला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला.
Ushered in an era of emotional storytelling in Indian cinema, marked by wider acceptance and a shift away from larger-than-life portrayals. Filmmakers began to focus on authentic narratives, giving voice to diverse perspectives. Songs like Bole Chudiyan and Nagada Nagada embraced regional flavors with upbeat twists. So, let's raise a toast to life's colorful journey. As we cherish memories and forge new ones, let's remember to live life to the fullest with joy, gratitude, and an open heart.
तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में समझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में समझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया.
नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये धिक तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय।
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। अरे बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली।
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गया तेरा साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं यूं लगदा मैं ते मर जावा। ले जा सोनिए ले जा दिल ले जा हो।
ಯಾರಿವನು ಕನ್ನಡದವನು ಯಾರಿವನು ನಮ್ಮೂರವನು ಯಾರಿವನು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಗನು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತೂಫಾನು ಯಾರಿವನು ಜಂಟಲ್ಮ್ಯಾನು ಯಾರಿವನು ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಗನ್ನು ಯಾರಿವನು ಕೊಹಿನೂರ್ ಜಮ್ಮು ಅನ್ನೋರ ಫ್ಯಾನು. The soul is purest, hottest, Everest, twinkle twinkle little star. He is the coolest, ತುಂಬಾ dearest, one and only forever star. ಬೆಳಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗದ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಹೂವು. He is Mr. Perfect. Raja Raja respect. He is Mr. Perfect. Raja Raja respect. He is Mr. Perfect. Raja Raja respect.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om.
All you boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for these talented students of National Public School, Singanayakanalli. Today, they paid tribute to the brilliant artists in the entertainment industry. These shining stars of tomorrow, with their energy and passion, will soon make their mark in various fields, spreading joy and excellence. Let's give a thunderous applause to these brilliant performers. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you all agree with me tonight. It was surely a visual treat to the eyes. Can we have a big round of applause for the students of NPS Singanayakanalli? This spectacle that you saw tonight, the dance choreographed by our very own Vinay sir, please step forward. Big round of applause for this budding artist. We also have the music developed by Chris sir. Please step forward.